you barking at?
So I just woke up. It's like an hour before, well, it's about sunset. It's gonna happen any minute. And this water is just, it's so calm out here. It's really weird. It's super cool. I mean, we are 30, 40 miles from land in any direction. And it is just so glass calm. I'm standing here on the swim platform and it looks like I'm just floating. Because the water's so clear and the bottom's like right there. And we're just kind of bobbing around. And I know that because that is our anchor. Set very nicely. Thank you, Mantis. Well done. I'm gonna go make some coffee and enjoy this. I just woke up the bed bug. I had to wake Kelly up. And Arthur, look at him. Stretching. Get a good stretching. Yeah. What is it, Arthur? Oh, there she is.
Stunning.
Good morning. How cool is this? Oh, look, the sun's coming up. Look at that.
Arthur's looking. He's like, oh, that's the ground.
Look at this sun. That is beautiful.
Is it over there because there's no wind?
Yeah, we're just bobbing around. That is pretty wonderful. We should have coffee.
Yeah, breakfast.
And breakfast. Yeah. Oh, Karina's up.
Good morning.
They're from Asia. They're not supposed to be here in these waters because they kind of ruin the ecosystem. I think it's a lionfish. the northwest channel, where it's gonna go from 20 feet to 2,000 feet in just a matter of like a mile. Should be interesting. Could get rough. We're starting to see some white caps. It's been super calm all day, and here we go seeing some white caps. A little more wind out of the east, and we are going with the current right now, I believe, because it's giving us a little extra push. My hope is that that doesn't stir these seas up too much, but it does have a effect like the Gulf Stream, from what I understand. This could get a little rough.
Arthur's napping.
Oh, in the mommy spot, the mommy nest. Arthur's getting mad at us. He hasn't been able to go to shore in 2 days since we were in Bimini, so.
He peed in our room.
He did. He peed in our room and in our bathroom.
Which he never does.
Never does that. He's mad at us. And he looks mad too. He's just kind of like, it's like he's sulking. Poor little guy. He's probably got a big turd in him he's got to get rid of.
Where are we at now? Chub Key?
Chub Key, just pulling in the Chub Key channel.
Chub Key.
Goodbye, Rum Key.
Oh, this is
Goodbye, Chub Key.
yeah, Chub Key. Catch Key.
Artarino. Bambino.
We are heading over to Nassau. I think we can see Atlantis about 16 miles, 17 miles away. It's that big. That's pretty cool.
Kelly's excited about Atlantis.
Oh yeah, it's a beautiful place. I want to go to the aquarium.
That's the Disney in her.
yeah. Yeah, that's for sure.
We're rolling up on Nassau. There's a ton of traffic coming in here. We can now see land here. Dead ahead is what we think is the Atlantis Hotel. If it'll focus. And we have this guy who almost just cut us off. And then in the distance there you see a couple big yachts.
What a cruise ship's craft. What are you barking at?
Yeah. She's skinny. Said she's skinny.
Okay, I need a forward spring. Forward spring. Nice to meet you. This is Kelly. You got it? Okay. She's the movie star, right? Yeah, she's the movie star. I'm a movie star too. Any more? You'd like to start with Bobette. Okay, you see from the
Sometimes worries traveling with the storm, but I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone.